Before starting work, clean out your garage. Sweep or vac away any dirt or debris from your garage so that you have a clean surface to work on. Leave the tiles in the room for at least 24 hours. This helps the tiles to adapt to room temperature and thus fit in precisely. There are a few tools that may come in handy during installation, like a rubber mallet, a tape measure, or cutting tools like a tile cutter or power saw that will help you to get a custom cut. Well, let's get it started. Place the first tile at the top corner of the garage and leave about half-inch gap between the wall to allow expansion or contraction. Each LF tile has 2 male pegs and 2 female loops. Make sure female loops face the other end and the back wall of your garage. Feed the male peg into the female loop and lay out the first 3 rows of the tiles. If you feel like a custom cut on reaching the opposite wall, just lay the tile aside and proceed to the next row. After finishing with the first 3 rows, it's time for the beveled edges to the garage opening. Slightly lift the front row tile and slide the female side of the bevel under the tile. Press down. After finish with the edges, go on with other rows of tiles until you reach the back wall of your garage. Then you will come to address the remaining gap at a full tile wall fit. Measure the gap in a tile. Cut the tiles using the cutter or power saw prepared in advance. Then fit the tiles in the gap. And don't forget about half-inch space. Here you are, a brand new flooring and a revitalized garage. Congratulations!